Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your bank to the Rocket Money app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your bank to the Rocket Money app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, let's first hop onto the Rocket Money app. And then once you're logged in, this is what your homepage may look like. You want to click on the gear icon in the upper left-hand corner and then click on linked accounts. Now, once you click on linked accounts, you want to go ahead and click on add institution. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on your bank. So they have Chase, Capital One, Bank of America, etc. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your bank with the Rocket Money app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.